Do you want to know how you can log into your Office 365 account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Office 365.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Office 365 AI login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Office. Click sign in and then you will be leaded to this portal where you can write down your email address. Click next, write down the password to your account and then click next again or sign in again. If the password is correct, you will now be logged into your Office 365 account. Let me show it to you once again guys how you can log into your Office 365 AI login. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for Office 365 AI login. Click on the first or second link which appears. It will take you to the official page of Office. Go ahead and click sign in, which is over here. Write down your email address, click next, write down your password and then click sign in. This way, you can sign in to your Office 365.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.